Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today, we're going to be continuing on with our City of New Orleans passenger train, and we're going to build the first of the passenger cars here. So let's get right into it. As usual, the first step is going to be to take a dark oak stair to be the coupler, and we'll get it attached up behind the locomotive here. Underneath that, we'll put a dark oak fence gate to be an air hose. Then we'll come up on this locomotive, delete the fence gates on either side, and replace them with dark oak fences to be connected cables. Behind that, we're going to attach a polished black stone block to the coupler here, and we're going to turn that into a 3x3. Underneath that, we're going to run a line of dark oak fence gates to be the air line coming in. Then, on the next block forward down on the rails, we're going to get a block of netherite to be the wheel, an end rod for an axle, and another netherite on the other rail. Then another block of netherite with a 2-block gap of space between it, and another one with a 2-block gap of space. Then put an end rod on each of those and another netherite on the other rail. Then in between here, we're going to make 2 rows of 3 polished black stone in between each set of wheels here. And then on the outside edges, we're going to put back-to-back, upside-down, dark oak stairs. Just like that. Do the same thing on this side. Then we're going to come around on top of this with a polished black stone block and fill in this top middle 3 down to the end of the truck here. We'll stop right here for now. Then we're going to come down on the side end by the coupler here. On the very end, we're going to put a brown terracotta, and then next to that, an upside down dark oak stair and another brown terracotta. Underneath that, we're going to put a dark oak slab right under the stair. These will be like the steps to get up. We'll do the same thing over here, so a brown terracotta with an upside down dark oak stair in the middle and a dark oak slab underneath that stair. Now we're going to come around on the sides of the truck, and everywhere there's a wheel, we're going to put a hopper on the outside of it. Same thing over here. Then we're going to take an oak slab and run it along the top edge to the end of this here. Same thing on this side. Now come in with orange terracotta here and here with a space in the middle. Same thing over there. And then one here and here with a space in the middle for the end door. Then we can go ahead and bring our orange terracotta down on this. Same thing on this side. On the next level, it's brown terracotta. We're going to put it here and here. Same thing on that side and fill in the end. One more in front of this, and then a light blue stained glass pane. Then 2 brown terracotta and 2 stained glass panes. 2 terracotta, 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 2 stained glass panes. And here I'm checking to make sure the window count is correct. So we need 2 more brown terracotta, 1 stained glass pane, then 4 brown terracotta. So you should have a window on each end that's only 1 block long, and then 6 windows in the middle that are 2 blocks long. Now we're going to come underneath here with polished black stone block, and we're going to fill in this middle 3, going all the way down till it lines up with the end of the brown terracotta window line we just made. I did it weird this way so we could use the window spacing to determine the proper length for the car. Now we're going to come on this end, leaving a 3-block gap of space on the end, and we're going to get a netherite on the rail on that 4th block end. Then we'll come underneath here with polished blackstone, 2 rows of that, another netherite wheel, another 2 polished blackstone, another netherite wheel. Then we'll have to swing around this other side to do this. We're going to get an end rod on each wheel for an axle, then netherite wheels on top of that for this side, extend out the blackstone between them. Then we'll switch to a dark oak stair in between the wheels, back to back in an upside down T-shaped pattern. Then a hopper in front of each wheel. Then we'll come around to the other side. We'll put a hopper in front of each of these 3 wheels. And then upside down, back to back, dark oak stairs. So it looks like that. On this top end, we're going to put brown terracotta on each side with an upside down dark oak stair in between them. Underneath the stair, we're going to put a dark oak slab. Then we do the same thing on the other side. So brown terracotta on each side with an upside down dark oak stair in between them. Then a dark oak slab underneath. Once we've done that, we'll swing around here with a regular oak slab. And on this top edge of the blackstone, we're going to run a line of oak slabs all the way down to the other end of the car. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. After that, we'll extend our rows of orange terracotta down to the end of the car on each side. We wrap around the end, leaving a 1-block gap of space in the middle, and then go all the way up the other side. Then we're going to swing down around on this side with brown terracotta, and we're going to copy our pattern from the other side across to this side. So just keep putting brown terracotta every 2, and then 4 on the end here. We can fill in these 2 as well. Then we'll put light blue stained glass pane in all of these gaps to complete the windows on this side. Now we're going to come around underneath here with a 2-block gap of space in front of the truck here. And up here we're going to knock out 3 of the oak slabs, and lined up with it on bottom of this blackstone, we're going to put a 3x3 of dark oak slabs. Then on this outside edge, upside down dark oak stairs. And we'll come over and match that up on the other side here. So lined up with these slabs, knock out these 3 and replace them with upside down dark oak stairs. Now we're going to skip 1 block in front of that. And on the very bottom, we're going to put 4 rows of 3 polished blackstone slabs coming across the middle of the bottom. And I missed one on that corner, so I'm going to have to go up and over to the other side here and get that one in place. Then on the front 3 of what we just did, knock out these 3 oak slabs and hang 3 upside down grindstones to be like a little tank. Same thing on this side. So we'll knock out these 3 here, and we'll put upside down grindstones right there. Now moving over down by this truck, we're going to leave a 1-block gap of space between what we're building and this truck. Knock out these 2 slabs and these 2 rows of the entire bottom of the car, and the 2 slabs over there. We're going to replace all that with brown terracotta. So 2 rows of 5 coming across. Then a 2x3 of dark oak slabs in the middle underneath that. Now we'll put 2 dark oak buttons on the brown terracotta box we just made. And we'll come around and do the same thing on this side. So 2 dark oak buttons right there. Then we're going to come down on this end with a dark oak stair and get it stacked up in the middle to be the coupler. Delete the one used for placement and come underneath and put a line of dark oak fence gates up the middle till it reaches the wheels to be the airline. Then up here on each side of the coupler, we're going to put a dark oak fence. Then on the outside edge, a polished black stone button on each side. Then we're going to come down and do the same thing over here. So a polished black stone button in that corner and one in that corner over here. Now we're going to come up on top with brown terracotta. We'll come right across this back, then across this doorway, and we'll just keep copying our brown terracotta up by 1 layer everywhere there's brown terracotta below it. We're leaving the gaps because we're going to also extend out the windows. And we'll come around this end, across here, and keep doing that same thing on the other side. For some reason here I spaced out and was putting it all the way across. I wasn't leaving the window gaps. Here I realized it. So I had to go back and delete the brown terracotta back out of these window gaps. Once we have that, we're going to go through here and fill all these gaps with light blue stained glass paint. Now we're going to come on top of here with yellow terracotta, and we're going to go all the way around the top of the car with it. Now we're going to come inside the car on this end that does not have doors on the outside edges. We're going to build a little shelving unit here. So what we're going to do is put a column of 2 temporary blocks here, turn around like this and put a birch door on it. Delete all these temporary blocks. Then we'll put 2 rows of birch trapdoors across to be a shelving unit. Turn around on this side and we'll put a composter, and that will be like a trash can here. And then we're also going to grab some leaves so we can put something in it. So hit it with some leaves so it looks like something's in there. Put some lecterns there to be like a little table. And actually I think I'm only going to have 1 lectern there. Then skip a block forward and put a red nether brick stair on either side to be seats. And then we're going to keep alternating a block of space and then a seat on each side, coming all down the length of the car. And just keep bringing it forward here. And actually that's 1 too many. Knock these ones out. Here we're going to spin around in front of this and use brown terracotta to frame in a doorway right here and yellow terracotta across the top. Then starting in this doorway down the middle, we're going to run a line of gray carpet all the way down the length of the car. Then on the sides, anywhere there's an open space where we haven't built something, we're going to put cyan carpet coming all the way up. And bring it all the way down to the other end in between all the seats here. Now in this end, where there's doors on the side, we're going to stack up some bookshelves here, and we'll close the trapdoor on this side to be the handbrake wheel. Then we'll put a dark oak door there, here on the outside, here on the end, on this side, and 1 more door all the way down on the other end here. And I just seen I missed a block up here, so I'm going to fill in above that door with brown terracotta. Now we're going to take a polished black stone wall and surround this door on the end with it. So come up by 3 on each side and over the top. And we'll come down to this end. On top of this coupler, we're going to put an iron trap door so there's a walkway between cars, and then surround this door with polished black stone wall. Then on the top corners on the yellow terracotta, we'll put a crimson button on each side. Same thing down here. Then we're going to come on top here with jungle wood planks, and we're going to start filling in the roof at the same level of this yellow terracotta, going all the way down to the end of the car. When we get to this end, we're going to drop down in here before we finish it off, because we got to put some lighting in this car. So in the middle here, I'm going to hang a lantern. We'll go down and hang a lantern in front of the door in the middle on this other end. Then we'll come down to the middle of the car here, and we'll put some more lanterns just so the whole car has nice even lighting in it. So we'll hang 2 here and 2 on the other side. Then we'll come down in this porch area and we'll put a lantern up in here too. Now the interior is completed. Now we'll come on top with brown terracotta and fill in this top middle 3, and we'll bring that all the way down to the other end of the car. Then on this outside edge, we're going to place a row of outward facing dark oak stairs going end to end on both sides. Then we're going to skip 1 block in from the end, knock out that stair and replace it with a deep slate tile stair. Same thing on this side. And then same thing down on these corners. So 1 in from the end, replace it with deep slate tile. Then 2 blocks in from the end, we're going to put 3 iron trapdoors. And same thing here, 2 blocks in from the end, 3 iron trapdoors. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this coach passenger car for our City of New Orleans passenger train. You can copy in as many cars as you'd like for your train, but don't finish it off just yet. Make sure you stay tuned, because over the coming days, we're going to be releasing a few more different cars for this train. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.